Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel. I have some sad news for the scale modeling community. We did lose a pillar in our community, and that would be Chris Cortel from Classic Plastic 101. He has been a part of our community since the very beginning, and I can't tell you how much he'll be missed in our community. Chris has always been there for us, has always showed us how to be humble, showed us how to enjoy our hobby as much as anyone else, showed us how loving he was to his family and to his wife, and wasn't afraid to show us his techniques, his scale modeling techniques, wasn't afraid to tell us about his aches and pains that he was going through with the cancer that he'd been battling for so many years. He was always there, always answered questions for everybody. He was a good friend of mine. Even though I'd never met him face to face, we always corresponded and talked with each other when we could. Chris was the man, a true gentleman, and he'll be greatly missed in our community. So if you can, just say a prayer for his family. And Chris, rest in peace, my man, and we will meet again.